All right, so I've been fishing for this trout for a few days now. That is how I've had him marked. This is actually a pretty unique spot on the creek. Holds trout year round. I think there is at least two, but one of them is absolutely giant. Actually might be the same trout that I caught on the fly earlier in the season. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish, dude. Look at that fish, man. So I've been coming down here the last few days with a new fly every day. This is the third one I'm trying. The hand-tied San Juan. Usually use a little bead on these guys, but as of late, I've been using just copper wire. See that big trout? Oh snap. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Holy smokes. That is a freaking trout. Yes, oh my gosh, stay on, dude. Please stay on. Right on the lip on that hand-tied San Juan. Little holdover rainbow trout. Oh my gosh, man. Yes. So itchy from all these mosquitoes. I didn't even see that dude down there. There you go. Holdover trout from the Wissahickon Creek. Finally made it happen after however many days of fishing. There's an absolute pig out there. It's definitely the smaller one. We'll take him. Yes, dude. No net special. Make sure we wet our hands. There we go, dude. A freaking survivor. There we go. Stocked trout in September from a creek that hasn't been stocked since spring. There we go, dude. Holy smokes, that's so cool. See ya, homie. Off to live another day. Dude, that is so flippin' cool. Damn, dude. I can't believe that. Well, man, if we only catch one trout today, I am so completely satisfied with that. These are such a rarity down here at this time of year. If you are still watching, welcome to part 2 of the adventure. So the last time I was at the creek, I did manage to catch myself one rainbow trout, which is pretty impressive, but there were actually a few more in this hole. So I am heading back a few days later, and hopefully we are gonna catch one of the other fish in the area. Oh, I just had him. Just switched up flies. Totally had him. Another hand-tied fly. No way he'll bite again. There we, I just had the largie. A little largie. Lost him. There we go. That's a better bass. Another largemouth. A little bit bigger than the one we just hooked. Hopefully we can land him. Well, if we can't catch any more trout, I'm just glad we can still catch something down here. Better than a little panfish, that's for sure. Come here, little largie. Here we go. Fat little fall bass on the San Juan. I'll take that all day, man. Whether we're fishing for trout, panfish, Largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, doesn't really matter. A fish is a fish. Andy out of here. Let's see if we can get his little friend out there. And next cast, we have another little largemouth bass. Only 2 little bass in the area. Came to play. See you, bro. Oh, that looks like a little smallmouth. A little harder to get them to bite, but they're enticed. So maybe they will. Ooh, what do we got this time? Red breast. And there's another little bass out there looking. This is definitely a smallie. Would like to catch that smallie, but for some reason, they're pretty hard to catch. Man, they just murk that San Juan. Come on, dog. You really gotta be the one. Here we go. And next cast, we have another panfish. Another red breast. It's becoming monotonous. That little piece of wood out there that goes from there to there is holding a bunch of fish. Due to the fact that the water temperatures have dropped a little bit, fish will be hugging structure like that because it'll hold a little warmth during the day. Ooh, there is a little smallmouth. See if he'll bite. This mosquito won't get the hell out of my ear. Ooh, that's a bigger bass. Okay. I think that's a bass. It's gotta be a bass. Little largy. We got him. There we go. Another largemouth. Hopefully we can land this dude. Man, he is a little pissed. This might actually be bigger than the first one we caught today. One way to find out. Oh my gosh. There is a gigantic largemouth out there. Holy, he is following this little guy that we have on. Man, that bass is 3 or 4 times the size of this little dude. Let's get this guy in first. Let's see if we can get that big one to play. Man, that big one out there is huge. Look at that. He engulfed that San Juan. This probably is definitely the biggest one of the day. There we go. Getting some fall bass on the San Juan. That bass out there is huge though. I'm gonna put this little guy back, scoot him on out there. All right, where's the big one? He's still there. Gotta get him to come back out of that hole though. Let's see, is he gonna come eat this thing? Man, he's looking. Holy smokes, that is a big bass. Nice fish. Wish he would come back out.